Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is this your first time here? It is? You should go down and hit that subscribe button right now and click that bell. Alright, the project for this weekend. Yes, the weekend is starting real soon. We're starting this at 9 o'clock on a Friday evening. I'm in a vacant house. This used to be a rental house, and the owners, they're moving in, but they want some things done. This track lighting, it's got to go. We're gonna start by putting one can right there, but we're not really using cans anymore. We're doing some modern stuff. So this is gonna be one in the corner, and then there's gonna be 4 out here. Then we got this kitchen. Kitchen's getting 4 cans, but they're not really cans. Puck lights, I think they're calling them these days. This thing turned into a puck light, and another puck light. So no boob lights. We got more track lighting in this bedroom here. This bedroom is, what are we doing here? I think we're putting 4 cans in here, spaced out around the room, relocating the ceiling fan to between these 2 windows right here. What are puck lights? Puck lights, LED 3K warm white. I always recommend the 3K. You go anything higher, you get into this white, translucent, nasty color. That's kind of like what's in the hallway. Anything down this way, it's just too yellow and too dim and looks weird. This here is the light fixture. That's it. That's all it is, an LED light fixture. Junction box, this all goes up into the attic. We'll get a lot of attic time on this video. Plenty of asbestos for everybody. I got some extra mustard for you if you need it. Those of you from California, just click off right now. You will get cancer just by watching the video. Now that we got the disclaimer out of the way, I gotta work till about 1:30 in the morning, and I have to have some significant work done before I leave, which means this whole room has to be drilled in and wired. That'd be a good start for tonight. And then tomorrow I can finish everything else.
Hey Handyman, how much you making on this job?
Well, you gotta go over to the Handyman business channel. That's where we talk nothing but money. Link will be in the description, and a card pops out at the top around here. For this first hole, I can't just run my hole saw up in there. This one sets the standard of the spacing from the wall to this line of lights. So I got the gasket taped up there. I'm just going to trace it out. Yeah, there's a joist right here, which is no big deal because these lights can go right underneath those trusses. I'm going to cut the first light in with this saw. It's called a keyhole saw.
Gonna give it a test fit. Link will be in the description for these lights. Okay, left. There you go. One down. Over the room. Now wire all up. Do that jump box. I'm
So you might be wondering, how am I going to line these up so that they're perfect? Well, let me use a laser beam. That dot marks the exact center of the cornerstone, the light fixture that sets the edge of that piece of tape there is 47 inches. That's off of that wall to the center of the light is 47 inches. So I put a piece of tape up there, lined up my laser. Now I've got a line that goes all the way down the ceiling. My next one I'm going to put in is the opposite end, and it's going to be the same distance that this one from this wall. So I'll come in, what is it? It's 49 inches. Come in 49 inches, cut my hole, and then the next one will go exactly in the middle. this. Well, I almost didn't record this for you, but I used a makeshift plumb bob to find out what the distance is. So I've got the end of the tape measure down there at the dot, and I held my string in the center of this. So the distance between them is 177 inches and a half. I just did the math. What the heck was it? 88 3/4 is the middle. You got to be innovative when you don't have anybody to hold the other end of the tape measure. And no, I'm not willing to pay someone to hold the other end of the tape measure. What did I say? 88 3/4.
I'm up in the attic. There's one there, one over there, one over there, and then 3 down here. And I've got all my wire pre-cut, and I'm just going to stick them through the holes. So everything is, all the wire is run. My light fixtures are missing. Amazon does not know where they are. They're supposed to be here yesterday. I just placed an order for 12 more tonight, in hopes that they get here on Sunday. I know. Let me take this off. Let's get some asbestos. Love the tape. It's good. That's some good stuff there. Yeah, it's late. Actually, it's not that late. I was just on the phone with Amazon for half an hour. It's only 10:40, so I'm kicking butt. I might just stick it out and do this all tonight. All the holes tonight, run all the wire tonight, and all I gotta do is wait for the dang light fixtures to show up. I could be technically done by the end of the day tomorrow if they show up. I know I got 4 more showing up tomorrow. But I'm just gonna drop this wire down these holes and move to the kitchen. Asbestos. Whew.
It's a new day. There are the light fixtures. You've seen them in some past videos of mine. Well, just gonna get started. I'm gonna start here, work my way around, make all my connections. The last connection will be to the hot, which is in a junction box right there. And then swap out this old dimmer with a dimmer switch that works with these. I've had good luck with these dimmers. They cost around $22 each. They are single pole and 3-way. So you can wire them up in different configurations. Kind of like that because I couldn't remember if this was a single pole dimmer here. I'm pretty sure it is. It's the only place you can turn your living room lights on and off. I didn't see anything over here in the dining room. Yeah, there's a switch way over there behind the fridge, but there's nothing here or over here. And we get started by opening up all the junction boxes, getting these wires stripped out. Look at the ground. That ground's a little short, so I will pre-strip everything. These here are kind of on the short side also. Pop the knockout out, put the knockout insert in. Just do this all right here before I get on a ladder, so that when I do get on a ladder, everything's ready to go. Oh, fuck. Lock it, bro. I could cut this part out and make everything look like it went perfect. But this box here is broke. For some reason the screw lugs on the top and bottom just cracked and broke right out. So I got another remodel box. This, I believe, is a remodel box, meaning that this was not part of the original construction. So this should go right in there and work. So I'm gonna pull it all apart. I'll let the camera go so you can see how I do it. Now the white is the hot, and there is currently power going to this. Save this. I hooked it up. I saw it wasn't going to last, but I hooked it up and wanted to test everything out. That's why I'm going to do this first. Much different boxes, same size, just different plastic, maybe different construction. Want to hear something funny? I had someone call me out because the insulation on this ground was cut back far. He says, oh, you needed to cut this shorter, the exposed part shorter. But that is one of the most retarded things anybody has ever heard of, because you have this whole entire bare copper right there. That's just what you get in the YouTube comments. Here's the piece of blue plastic that broke off from the old box. There's one room done. I think I showed you the kitchen, didn't I? The last thing on the list is 4 in this room and relocate that ceiling fan. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this inspires you to get rid of that ugly track lighting and switch over to what we used to call recess lights or recess lighting. Now they call it down lighting or puck lights. There was much more to this project than just the living room, but it was pretty repetitive. Did the same thing in the kitchen and then did the same thing in the master bedroom. I may make those into individual videos sometime in the future, but for now we're just going to leave it at the living room. If you're interested, you can also click the link in the description to see the Handyman business video that correlates with this project. I take you through the process of getting the job and how much the total project cost. All 3 rooms and all the lights. Also did 3 hall light fixtures, switching out the old boob lights into the downlighting. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell. All you do is click the bell so you're notified when a new video comes out. Goodbye.